Alright, so this is a proof of concept. I'm using N8N to make a workflow that processes notes from Obsidian and then sends it to an OpenAI API. And so we have this new awesome note. We can actually call this whatever we want. Let's just call this chicken recipe. And then we can say, I don't actually want you to give me a recipe. Isn't that hilarious? So just a ridiculous example for now. And then for our prompts, right now I had it set to, you're just a cool chatbot who's here to be cool, and let me know how cool this is. But then I wrote a funny one for the video called, can you please talk like a cowboy? And also use Gen X slang way more than would be socially acceptable. So we're going to copy that and paste it in here. And then let's just execute that step and make sure that's good. So now it's going to talk like a cowboy. We go back to our chicken recipe. So it's going to process this and put it in this folder with its response. So let's see what happens. We'll click that and you can see it going through the different steps. Success. We'll check this out. It says, well, partner, ain't that a hoot and a half? No recipe coming your way, just good old-fashioned cowboy chatter with a sprinkle of Gen X vibes. Like we're cruising down Route 66 in a 98 Chevy, jamming to some gnarly tunes on a Walkman. So sit tight, keep it chill, and if you need a recipe later, just holler, and I'll rustle one up faster than you can say cowabunga. I meant Gen Z. So we'll just go in here, change it to Z, execute step, and then let's execute the workflow again. I don't know if it'll work if I have the file open. Well, let's see if it does. Oh, here it did. It just popped up a new one. Well, partner, I reckon that's straight up fire, for real, for real. You want me to talk all cowboy style, but keep it hella Gen Z lit? Bet. No recipe coming your way, I got you. For real. That's kind of sus if you're asking for a recipe and then no recipe. Big mood. We out here vibing with the jokes, no cap. If you need some other kind of info, just holler. Yeehaw. Let's get this bread.